let's look at the Nifty key levels for tomorrow's trading. Remember, tomorrow is the Bank Nifty expiry, as 17th is the holiday for the market. And today market closed at 24,586 after having made our first target of 24,635, and then it was in a quite stuck in a range after that. So the first thing which strikes me on seeing this chart is that Nifty has made kind of a rising wedge here, and it is broken down, but it is broken down and there is no follow through coming up. Okay, that's one thing. Let's imagine that the follow through comes through and then market starts falling, so it might go to 24,520 tomorrow, which is going to be our key support area. Okay, and from here, if we get a positive candlestick, we will go again to the yesterday's high, and crossing yesterday's high, we should go to 24,720. So this could be a path that Nifty might follow tomorrow. Otherwise, if in case it cannot hold on to this level, then it probably will bounce and spend some time here and then break down for 24,470 as a minor support and to 24,380, which is a major support. So two ways that Nifty can go tomorrow. And but if we also carefully look, so that's the case of Nifty correcting in the morning session and then probably recovering later. Now let's also understand that there is a bigger pattern in play here, which is here, beautiful pennant that's going on here, right? So this pennant is, even if I just measure from here, is 215 points up, so which gives us a target of breakout happened here, so which gives us a target of around 24,785. so this could be the potential target that we can aim for in 1 to 3 days time. So again, all these are patterns, and patterns may work, patterns may fail, so we need to keep attention and also understand within the pattern we have another pattern which is formed here, which is the rising wedge. So one needs to understand that there could be a correction which also will align with the lows here to 24,520, right? And then there could be a positive candlestick here which will take us back to the highs. So it's pretty simple. If you look at the, let me just delete all this, and if you look at the daily chart, what we have is a kind of a doji for sure, but it's just a doji. So doji's high and low are very important always, and where it opens. Tomorrow's open is also going to be critical. Generally, after doji, market will go in the direction in which it opens, right? And especially on critical direction. So if it opens below the doji and makes a high, then probably we're going to look for selling. And if it opens higher, then we are going to, and trades above the high of today, then we are going to look for longs for 24,720, 24,782. So that's, I'm still bullish, no change in my outlook. See, there is one thing about the market being stretched, and another thing about stocks being stretched, or in terms, if we call it a bubble. There is no bubble scenario even in a fundamental perspective, right? The earnings are coming through. Let's see how they reflect. And of course, there are many bearish patterns which are getting formed, but they were forming all the while. Nothing is, the bulls are quite in it and making it quite strong, right? And the size of candle tomorrow will be very interesting. Ideally, it should be a big green candle. Yeah, for my bull I am. So, but when I trade, I don't have such judgments in my mind. I always look for what the price is telling me, and then I trade accordingly. So don't be surprised if the market tanks tomorrow and you find me short. So do your own analysis, please. And I hope this is just a compass for you to do something bigger. And I wish you all the very best for tomorrow's trading, and for Bank Nifty traders, have a great expiry, make lots of money. God bless. Bye bye.